Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is ICEY, and if you didn't know that already, it probably means that you're new here, so you better subscribe and hit that notification bell and join the ICEY Gang. Yes. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my Air Jordan 1s. These are the ones that I got. I don't really remember their name. This is how you know I'm not a sneakerhead. I think it's the lucky green, whatever. It's gonna be in the title of the video and the description box as well, and I'm about to show them to you guys, so you guys are gonna see them and then you can tell me what it's called. But let me unbox them. So I already opened them up just to see what they look like. I haven't tried them on yet, which is kind of bad because it's been like a few weeks or maybe months or a month since I got them, but we're gonna try them on together, okay? So we're gonna be all right. But this is what they look like. So they come with the 3 laces, so 2 additional and then 1 inside the shoe already. And let me take out the other ones. So this is what the other ones look like. So when I first ordered them, I didn't like the colorway all that much because I wanted the pine green ones for a while now, and I was like, this is probably the closest that I'm gonna get to the pine green ones for a while because I'm not trying to spend a crazy amount of money on them. But they look cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and try on the sneakers, and I'm gonna style them in a couple of different ways. There'll be minimal talking throughout the video, so let's get started.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Just say bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Just say bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Just say bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man,
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Just say bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man,
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little lookbook with my Air Jordan 1s, the Lucky Greens. And I hope you guys were able to get some outfit inspiration. Let me tell you, it took me forever to create this video just because everything that could possibly go wrong was going wrong. So definitely show me some love on this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, I do want to thank you guys for watching and stay until the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.